In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio tutorial, how to add GIFs on OBS Studio. Let's get you set up quickly and cleanly. Start by opening OBS Studio so you can see your scene and the sources panel at the bottom. That's where all the magic happens because every visual element you add lives there. To add a GIF you've already downloaded to your computer, click the plus button in the sources panel and choose media source. Give it a clear name so you recognize it later. Something like corner GIF or alert animation works well. Then click OK. In the window that appears, use the Browse button to find your GIF file on your computer. Once you've selected it, look for the option labeled Loop and turn it on. Looping keeps your GIF playing continuously instead of stopping after one pass, which is perfect for animated overlays, alerts, or subtle motion accents. If you're planning to switch scenes during your show, remember that looping helps maintain the animation without you needing to restart it manually. If you'd rather use a GIF that lives on the web instead of a file on your computer, there's a second approach. In the same sources panel, click the plus button and select Browser. Name this source, then paste the full URL of the GIF into the URL field. This tells OBS to pull the animation directly from the link. If the GIF has a known width and height, you can set those values in the properties so it displays at the correct size right away. Using a URL is great for assets hosted in your overlays library or for graphics you update remotely. Once your GIF is in the scene, no matter which method you chose, position it exactly where you want. Click the source in the preview and use the red bounding box to resize and move it. Drag from the corners to scale proportionally and place it in a corner, centered behind your webcam or anywhere that complements your layout. If something is hiding your GIF, check the order of sources. Items higher in the list appear on top. Drag your GIF up or down in the list to layer it correctly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep file names organized so you can update or swap animations easily, and choose GIFs with reasonable dimensions to avoid unnecessary CPU usage. When you're happy with the look, lock the source in the sources panel to prevent accidental moves during a live session. That's it. Your animated GIF is now part of your OBS scene and ready for recording or streaming.